So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add effects to text in a video here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, I have my video right here. Press on text again, and I'll just type in the word effects, just like that. Now, if you want to add effects to the text, it's pretty straightforward. I want you to go to press on the text right here, then the option right below, press on the kind of the whites, the gray, and the black circles. Once you're in this page right here, you can go ahead and add some different effects. So if you wanted to maybe add that effect, you can go ahead and add that. You can add that effect, whatever the case may be. There's a bunch of different ones you can do. You can also loop it in, whatever the case may be. If all looks good, go ahead and press the check mark right here. Now, if I were to go ahead and press play right here, my text now has effects to it. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add effects to text in a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.